Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying what audio device Windows sees and which driver is missing. Open Device Manager and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Note any warnings. Once done, write down the exact hardware name and whether Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit and the build number. This info directs which driver package to fetch. Make sure to also check if audio is integrated or external USB. Drivers differ, so be precise before downloading anything. Now you fetch and prepare the driver. You can click Update Driver in Device Manager and choose Browse My Computer, or download the exact WHQL-signed package from the audio chipset manufacturer. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator. If it's a ZIP, extract then run Setup. EXE. During install, follow on-screen prompts and allow a reboot when prompted. If the installer fails, run compatibility mode for Windows 8 or 7 and retry. This often resolves legacy package issues. Finish by rebooting and then setting your default playback device in settings right arrow system right arrow sound. Test with headphones and sample audio. If audio still fails, open Device Manager, right-click the device and choose Properties right arrow driver, right arrow roll back or uninstall. Once uninstalled, check Delete the driver software for this device only if reinstalling a different package, then reboot to force Windows to reload drivers. If problems persist, use a recent system, restore point, or run the built-in audio troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.